Hi, I'm Mike Wasylik, Florida Foreclosure Defense Attorney. I'm here in Orlando, Florida, in front of the Orange County Courthouse for foreclosure trials, and I'm here to answer the question today, what does it mean to win a foreclosure case? I had two trials yesterday. I won one and I lost one. And the one that I won gives rise to the question, what does it mean to win? When I tell people that it's possible to win foreclosure cases, the number one question I get is, what does it mean? Is the bank going to come after me again? Can they come after me for the money? Can they take the house? Can I sell it? Do I own the house? And the answer to all of those questions is a deeply unsatisfying it depends. It depends on how you win and why. If you win on procedural grounds, very often the bank will have a right to refile the foreclosure case and try again to either take the home or come after you for the money. The only reason they wouldn't be able to do that if you get a dismissal for procedural grounds, or if you get a victory for procedural grounds, is if the case is just too old and if the statute of limitations bars them from refiling. Usually that's a 5-year window from the time they first tried. But in many cases they do have the right to refile. Sometimes, depending on how you win, they may not. They may be permanently barred. Now, the second question I get is, when we win a foreclosure case, what does that mean for the title of the house? Can I sell it? Can I rent it out? Can I do anything to it? And the short answer is that until and unless a court orders that the house be sold, the owner of the house is the owner of the house. You are the owner of your house, and you can rent it, sell it, whatever. You may have to satisfy the mortgage as a condition of selling it. So, for example, you may have to sell it for more than the mortgage is worth, or arrange for a short sale. But if you win in a way that prevents them from enforcing the mortgage, you may be able to do other things with it without having to worry about satisfying the mortgage. Now, that may take extra legal steps. You may need to get a judicial opinion saying that the mortgage is no longer valid and no longer enforceable to clear the title or quiet the title. But if you have truly and finally won your foreclosure case, then in most cases you should be able to sell the house. And in all circumstances, if you've won your case, you're going to be able to stay there as long as you like, again, until and unless the court tells you to get out, which if you've won, that's not happening yet. And you can rent it out, you can use it for all other purposes. The only real restriction is whether or not you can sell it, and the only restriction on your sale is whether or not that mortgage is clouding the title. Now, all these obviously are very fact-intensive questions that require judgment, experience, and in some cases legal research. So if you have a question about the effect of a foreclosure victory on your home, please give us a call. Our number is 352-567-3173. That's 352-567-3173. I'm Mike Wasylik, Florida Foreclosure Defense Lawyer. Thanks for watching.